Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 12, leçon Z. So in this lesson we'll see together the tricky stems of irregular verbs in the future simple tense. Okay, so it can be a bit challenging, but I guess if you try to remember them, it should be okay. So I've been covering already the future simple, but then to make it fast, it's just like you take the stem. After that, you will just add the ending, and you will get this future simple. If you really want a detailed video, I've been making one previously, so I would definitely advise you to have a look at it. Okay, regarding the endings, so for the singular, there will be, for je, it will be AI, and you pronounce it E. For tu, it will be AS, and you pronounce it A. And then for il, elle, on, it will be only A, and you pronounce it A. Okay, so one more time. For je, E. For tu, A. For il, elle, on, A. If we start to look at the plural form, so for nous, we will have ONS, and you pronounce it on. For vous, you will have EZ, and you pronounce it E. And then for il, elle, you will have ONT, and you pronounce it on. Okay, so one more time. Nous, on, vous, et, il, elle, on. Okay, so now let's have a look at the irregular stems, and what I will do, well, let's see. So it will be like that. To go, aller, ir, and then I will give you the je form, j'irai. Okay? To sit, asseoir. So you've got two options. The first one, assière, so j'assiérai. Or then it could be asseoir, j'assoirai. To have, avoir, or, j'aurai. To run, courir, cours, je courrai. To pick, cueillir, je cueillerai. To send, envoyer, envers, j'enverrai. To be, être, sœur, je serai. To make, to do, faire, faire, je ferai. To die, mourir, mour. Je mourrai. It's not a nice one to say at the first person, but, well, you get the idea. Je mourrai. To be able to, pouvoir, pour. Je pourrai. To know, savoir, sort. Je saurai. To hold, tenir, tiendre. Je tiendrai. To be worth, valoir, vaudre. Je vaudrai. To come, venir, viendre. Je viendrai. To see, voir, vers. Je verrai. To wish, to want, vouloir, voudre. Je voudrais. To notice, apercevoir, aperceuvre. J'apercevrai. To conceive, concevoir, conceuvre. Je concevrai. To deceive, décevoir, déceuvre. Je décevrai. To owe, to have to, devoir, d'œuvre. Je devrais. To perceive, percevoir, percevoir. Je percevrai. To receive, recevoir, recevoir. Je recevrai. To receive, one more time, recevoir, recevoir. Je recevrai. So you had two for the price of one. So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place, and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.